Welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. This is what I'm making, beef fried rice. It's delicious. Let me show you how I made it. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of jasmine rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is my rice. I have it on a high heat, and I'm bringing it up to a boil like this. Now I'm going to cover it, lower the heat, let it simmer for 20 minutes. This is my skillet. I'm using a tablespoon of canola oil. I added 1 pound of flat meat that's been cubed. I'm going to add 1 large garlic clove. I'm adding some spices. This is ½ teaspoon increments, onion powder, thyme, parsley, paprika, salt, and pepper. Okay, now I'm going to mix all this together and just keep cooking it until it's completely cooked. So once you see it releasing its juices like this, just let it keep cooking until all those juices are dried up. So here's my beef chunks. I removed them from the original pan. Here's my original pan. I added 3 eggs. I'm going to make some scrambled eggs. Here's my egg. It's all finished. Now I'm going to add my rice. Mix that all together. Now I'm going to add a cup of mixed vegetables. This is frozen mixed vegetables. Now I'm going to add some soy sauce. And I'm going to bring back my beef. So this is my beef stir-fried rice. It comes out delicious. It's very, very tasty. I added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and it comes out perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.